playing with your pistol yet?
10 paces, then we draw.
One, two.
Would you shut up?
Sweet joking.
What the bloody hell happened on that planet, eh?
That ain't normal. You must be some kind of monster.
No, not a monster. But you're right about the other thing. I'm definitely not normal.
The deal is off. You ain't getting this. Why won't you die?
So you're bulletproof now?
Yeah.
Welcome to the club.
Look, it's a long story. I was gonna tell you guys, I wanted to have a normal mission first, and on a normal mission, I would be out there fighting.
If we fight, we attract the worm, and I cannot see you take another bullet.
Babe, I don't know what you want me to do. Look, I'm sorry, but this is who I am now.
Because of these. What the hell? Ah, damn it.
You can thank me later.
Exactly how many knives do you have? Seems you brought a knife to a sword fight.